Manipur gi Cyber Crime Department fell Oire intelligence su pau pirakhidaba tha taramangarum fare haina home gi portfolio su pairiba Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren pendaba wafum kaya phongdokhre ngasi ahan ba Manipur Rifles ki banquet hall da pangthokiba Vijay Divas palan thoram ga mari lenana wafum ase Chief Minister na phongdokibani Vijay Divas thoram aduda Power Forest and Environment Climate Change ki Minister TS Bishwajit Education Minister Thaunawzam Basant Kumar Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Govindas Konthauzam Social Welfare Minister Haikam Dingo Pasoi SG MLA Sapam Keba Langthabal SG MLA Karam Siam Wangkai SG MLA Thangzam Arun Kumar Kumbi SG MLA Sanasam Prem Chandra Yauna Police Samadi Civil Gi Makok Thongba Officer Kayasu Sarugya Ke Thoramasi Kumja Inglising Magachamapan Humfutara Mathoigi India Pakistan Warda Pakistan Bumai Thiba Piduna Matam Adugi is Pakistan Hauzikna Bangladesh Haribalebak Asi Sem Kibagi Lan Aduga Mangzil Thakiba Indian Army Gi Kathokpagi Thongna Lingzel Chief Minister N Birena Nahona Naning Singduna Ikai Khumnabagi Wafam Kayasu Phongdokhe
Karinoi Quina, low with the Quina of the Bush. Others of Queen, another local ging after that with Canary Bear. Policing higher ups in the Sumashi, Karnabio, Kenepi, Pangu information, Aduga, get the Tauriba port, sophisticated weapons, Manipur Sanga, Tauriba, the underground Heli Givero, Hill Givero, Sigi Mayamsi, Apayam Kubna, intelligence network, and the Karli, I think cybercrime. Cybercrime is totally fail in Manipur, not functioning properly. Taude, aina case am kak sinagi bse so it's a pang pangwen. Kanon thirwai pe kanon pangwai kari machinery wali gear su kari haini aduna aikoi khara seras hoy to duya intelligence power se kai piri no na ingma di power la power after intelligence tha tramam su mani tha tram par manu tramam se ngone power la
Handak Union Home Minister Amit Sahana agenda Ashtak 2024 da Manipur gi matang da phongdokhiba wafam amaga mari lenana Paumi Singna Chief Minister da hangba wahang amada Chief Minister N Birena mahaki oiba mod phongdokladuna hai lamdam asida thokliba irang asi external aggression yawi haiba wafam adu thangai sengna illegal immigrant na indigenous population da pirakliba chaithengi wafam nei Union Home Minister Amit Sahana phongdokhiba wafam na ama oiraga aihaki mod oina irang asida drug Lord Kaya Amagi Khut Yawi Haiba Sisu Miyam Hena Kangarabani Haina Chief Minister N Birena Makhatana Phongdokhe.
From the very beginning, misinformation, manipulated information, political information were sending from some agency there in Delhi. But now Delhi Central has realized and they are collecting information from the grassroots and now almost they have found the concrete information and accordingly they are dealing with it. And what the leader said, I don't know, but simply I am giving my opinion. Here involvement of illegal immigrants, drug lords is already seen by the people and the center also know it.